Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make one jumping frog. Let's start. So we need one rectangle paper. You can also take one square paper. Then take this like this. I'm making this to a square. Now I made like this. And then we should take this edge and put it here. And then we should do it like this. We should fold this like this. Then we'll get this line. Then take it back and then do like this one cut. You can take scissors or do it, but take your mother's help. Then you get a square paper. Then you should fold it like this. Like this, and this also here. Then do like this. Then we'll get like this. Then you can see this line. You can turn it. Then you can see. Then you should do this like. You should fold this like this, like a triangle. Then again do to the another side. Then you get like this. Then you got two corners. Then you can do like this. Then turn back. Then you get like this. Then you will do like this. You'll get like this. Then open this and then do this here. Then do like this. Then you'll get like this. And then like this. Do the same way as before. Then you can get another. Then you'll get like this. Like this. Then you can do this to this edge. This to here. This also the same. This to here. Then like this you should fold and then do the same to another and fold the same. Like this and here also. Fold this. Like this. Then fold this like this to this edge. Then this to this edge. You'll get these two like this. Then go this and do the same to this. Now this is the bottom and here is the front. Like this there is, and like this. This is how it should be, and then we should do like this. Take this and fold it like this. Here to here. Then take this one, put this and fold this. After folding this, do the same to another side. Got. Then take to the bottom. Then you got this one. Then do this. Fold this like this. Then to this line we should fold like this. Then now it's the hardest part. Then take this to this edge, this to this edge, like this. Now you got your own frog. Just press here, then it will jump. Again I'm showing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.